Hi everyone, and welcome to part 3 of Fotopia Viewer over SharePoint tutorial, where I'll be showing you the general options. Most of them lie on this vertical toolbar, and they're all applicable on annotations, stamps, and signatures. However, I will just be using one stamp as an example. Now, before you perform any action on this stamp, you need to make sure that it's selected, so you will left-click on it and the small circle appears at the top right, which indicates that it's been selected. You can clone the stamp, undo this action, redo it, and delete. In addition, you can move the stamp to another page, so select it again, and click on Cut, and go to another page and then click on Paste. Furthermore, you can hide the stamps by clicking on this icon, and if you click again, they appear once more. You can also group the stamps together by clicking on Select, and then left-click and drag until both stamps are highlighted, and then click on Group, and this red frame appears, indicating that the two stamps have been grouped. Now you can move them together. Now let's have a look at the cropping option. To crop any area of the page, click here. Drag this rectangle to whichever area you'd like to crop, and then adjust the dimensions. Once you're done, click on this icon. You may add a note if you wish, and then click on OK. Now your cropped image appears on the right. Once you're done, click on this icon, and here we are back on the main interface. You also have the option of exporting a cropped image, however, I will be discussing this in Part 8 exporting. So let's look at the viewing options. Click on this arrow, and now they're displayed. You can zoom out, zoom in, fit the page according to height, or according to width, or according to both height and width, and you can also rotate the page. To save any changes made to the document, click here. And to change the language settings, click here. Thanks for watching this tutorial.